Are you torn between the Ninja Slim Smoothie Blender and the Nutribullet 900 Pro? We tested them thoroughly, and here are the differences we found. First, regarding the design, the Slim Smoothie Blender comes with two BPA-free plastic cups holding 470 milliliters. This device is lightweight and features strong suction cups to stay firmly in place on your countertop. With the Nutribullet, you get a single plastic cup holding 700 milliliters. This model has a compact format made for a maximum of 1 or 2 people at home. The first provides 2 travel cups compared to just 1 for its rival. As for features, the Ninja has a single operating speed. To start it up, you simply screw the stainless steel blade assembly onto the cup, then turn it upside down onto the base. As for the 900 Pro, operation is just as simple, using a twist and push mechanism on the base. The box also includes a lip ring so you can drink your preparations directly from the cup. Both devices focus on simplicity with a single blending speed. When it comes to performance, the Slim Smoothie Blender features a 700-watt motor. It quickly blends frozen fruit and gives your drinks a smooth, even texture. As for the Nutribullet, the power steps up to 900 watts with stainless steel blades. It took just 15 seconds to make a smoothie using frozen ingredients. The second model offers a more powerful motor for slightly faster results. In terms of maintenance, the Ninja is super convenient because the cups, lids, and blades are all completely dishwasher safe. As for the 900 Pro, cleanup is a bit less straightforward since the blades are not dishwasher safe. Only the cup and its lip ring can be washed in the dishwasher using a program set to a maximum of 50 degrees. So the first option is easier to clean thanks to its dishwasher-safe blades. Regarding limitations to keep in mind, the Slim Smoothie Blender has a 700-watt motor that might be a bit limited for tough ingredients. It also has a high noise level, reaching 99 decibels. On the other hand, the Nutribullet features a cup plastic that isn't very durable according to the manual. The brand states that you shouldn't put in food over 21 degrees Celsius, which rules out hot soups. Both blenders are noisy during operation and come with limitations regarding temperature or power. Finally, to help you choose, the Ninja has the edge in convenience for couples or families thanks to its 2 cups and full dishwasher compatibility. The 900 Pro focuses instead on high blending efficiency for 1 or 2 people, despite a few compromises on food temperature and blade cleaning. Choose the first for practicality and family friendliness, or the second for blending power. And that wraps up this head-to-head review. We hope it helps you make your decision. In case you're interested in either of these products, you'll find their links right below the video.